welcome to my channel. How are you all doing today? The yam has already been peeled and cut into chunks, as you can see. And I have vegetable and oil bean, oba in our native language. Oba, this is oil bean, okay? Sliced onion, a cup of crayfish, okay? Then I have here tomato, red bell pepper, yellow pepper, ginger and garlic. Then my red oil. So guys, I also have salt to taste and some seasoning. So let's get started, okay? So now put the yam chunks in the pot and add some water. Leave it on heat, allow it for some minutes before adding some ingredients. Yeah, while the yam is on heat, I have to grind the pepper and tomato combination.
So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak.
It is done. Yeah, now I have to add half of the onion and crayfish, half of it. And salt. Allow it to cook. While the yam is cooking, in a medium saucepan, pour in the palm oil and allow it to heat a bit. Now pour in the half onion stir it and the blend combination of the tomato and pepper. Then you add the crayfish and seasoning as well. I'm using 2 cubes of seasoning. Stir it. Now we're going to cook it for 3 minutes or until the moisture evaporates very well. Okay. Yeah, this stew is ready. I have to turn off the heat and wait for the yam to get done or soften enough. Now the yam is soft enough, so I'm going to add the sauce we just made. Now stir it. The oil bean. Guys, this food is delicious. Trust me. If you try it, you're gonna look for me. Allow it for 2 minutes before adding the vegetable. Guys, it is done. Yeah guys, it is done. Put up the heat, cover the pot and allow the vegetable to cook in the residual heat. Okay, yeah, it is done. Yeah guys, the delicacy is ready. As you can see, do you like what you're seeing? Very easy, very yummy, delicious. Guys, try this recipe, you will love it. Honestly, I'm not joking because I'm the one that prepared it. You can serve it with any meat or fish. Actually, I used to serve it with fish, but fish was not available, so I'm using turkey meat, okay, to serve it. I know you like this video. If you really enjoy my video, if you really cook with me, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and share. I want to know in the comment section how you feel about this delicacy. Okay, yam with breadfruit and vegetable. I want to know in the comment section. Okay, I really want to know. Thank you so much for watching this video, for all your support. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. See you in our next video. Love you guys. Mwah.